Flooded houses in Ille-et-Vilaine, France. Residents of the Ille-et-Vilaine department have experienced a significant rise in water levels following recent bad weather. In Gieschen, 20 kilometers south of Rennes, in a place called Gravier, houses were flooded. They are in the front row in the Vilen River rises. This occurs from Wednesday, January 8, 2025. The water continues to rise. The peak of the flood is approaching in Gravier and Gieschen. In Gravier in the village of Malone, surrounded by water, 7 families were evacuated this Friday, January 10, 2025. The bakery and multifunction premises in Gieschen will be closed. Further south, Rennes is being prepared, which always suffers floods later. Like it if you think that we need to protect nature, because this is the main problem of humanity. The more likes, the more people will know it. Stay safe, take care of yourself and your loved ones.